In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up MoreLogin for your anti-detect browsing. So they claim you can protect your Facebook, TikTok, Amazon and all other platforms to stop account banning. Now in this MoreLogin tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use it and I will cover everything you need to know. I will also give you a discount code that you can use to actually get a 10% discount. So first of all, to get started, I do have a special deal and that's the 10% discount. So I will leave a link down in the description, and if you click on that link, it will take you to this page, and then once you create your account you will get a 10% discount, so that's really nice. So if you do want to claim that, click on the link down in the description and then just follow along with everything I will show you in this video. So after clicking on that link, go and click on start for free right here. Now first you need to select your operating system. So currently they have Mac and Windows, and then Android is coming soon. Now personally I use Mac, so I'm gonna click to download Mac OS version, but of course you can also select Windows. Now this will specifically be for Mac, but installing the actual app is super simple. Just click to download. Then here, if you are using Mac, you need to download the corresponding Mac version according to the chip, and they actually have a guide on how to check this. So at the top left of your computer, click on the Apple icon, then about this Mac, and then you can see the chip. So on the one I use, it's the Apple M right here, so I'm gonna click right there and then the download will already start. So this is the downloader of this app, and just wait for this to finish downloading. Now in the meantime, you can see some of its benefits right here. So they have benefits for e-commerce, so you can expand your sales across multiple regions on one platform. You can build business in multiple product categories. You can increase your chances of showcasing products to target markets. Then they also have benefits for affiliates, for crypto, social media and ticketing. So all of this is very useful to basically just help you not get banned on all sorts of platforms. So it's also super cheap. If we head over into their pricing and set it to monthly here, you can see that they actually have a completely free plan where you get 2 profiles and 2 users. Now 2 profiles for most people will not be enough, but it will let you try it out. So that's already really useful. Now the download has completed. So now if you click on this, you will now see something like this. If you are using Mac, then you can click on agree and then it will open up the download, and then basically all you need to do is just take the app icon and drag it over into your applications. Then here, when I open up my launchpad, it will then show up right here, but it will take a couple of seconds, so let's wait for this to finish up. So then you can see it right here and I can just go and open it up, and now here we have the MoreLogin app installed on our device. So whether you're using Mac, Android or Windows, just go and install the app, and after you do that, if you don't have an account yet, just click sign up for free. If you already have an account, just sign in. Now here in this section where it will say set an invitation code, what you want to go ahead and do is enter the following code and then click on register. So now I've created my account, and then you will get to this. So then they will ask, what do you want to use MoreLogin for? Now this is really different per person, but you can see for ticketing, manage multiple e-commerce platform accounts like Amazon, eBay and others, account farming, affiliate marketing and traffic arbitrage, cryptocurrency industry, remote work, advertising, social media marketing or other. Now for this example, I'll just go with manage multiple e-commerce platforms. Now here, how many accounts are you planning to manage? So less than 50, 50 to 150, 150 to 400, 400 to 1000 or 1000 or more. Now most people will need more than 50 because otherwise you won't get most of the benefits from this. So for this example, I will go with 50 to 150. Now how did you find out about MoreLogin? Let's say YouTube. And now here you will see secure multi-account login, log into multiple accounts using separate browsers to avoid bans, similar to using different computers. So click new profile right here. Now here you will see if you do enter the code that I mentioned earlier, and if you do sign up through the link down in the description, you will receive this 10% off coupon code upon creating your account. So click I got it right here, and now you get a 10% discount. Now here you will basically see the interface. So here you can see all of your profiles. So this is the first one we have. So this one's called P1. Now you can just change this name. For example, if you are using this for the e-commerce platforms, you can name this one Amazon, for example, and then here click on start. And now here you can either purchase a proxy or add a proxy. Now I'll click purchase proxy, and now here you can choose your options. So the proxy type, either cloud platform, residential or ISP, then the territory, so for example Europe, the area, service provider, the amount of purchase protection you want, so for example 30 days, 90 days, 180 or 360, so for example I'll go with 30, and then once you click on submit, you can actually go and purchase this proxy. So basically you will need a proxy in order to actually use the server. Now you can choose the purchase duration, and the longer you do it for, the more of a discount you get. So if you only want to use this account for 30 days, you can set it to 30. But for example, I'm just gonna set it to 180 days, and then you can go and purchase this proxy. So you can see you get a discount of $6 if you sign up with the link in the description, because usually it's $60, 10% is 6, so you'll only pay 54. And this is basically forever, so that's really cool. So go and purchase the proxy and select the duration that you want to use it for, and then this proxy will be added to this specific profile, and you can then use this profile with that proxy. So if you click on new profile, you can also create a new profile. You can choose the browser, so Chrome or Firefox, then the operating system, the profile number created, the profile group, so for example your e-commerce platforms. You can enable or disable end-to-end encryption, so you can see what exactly that entails right here. They also have some advanced options, and you can also choose to do it on your phone, but once you're done, just click on OK. And now you will have this one as well, and you can then again also click on start and then purchase the proxy for this one as well. So using this tool will basically make sure that you don't get banned, and for example you can purchase a bunch of tickets for something and resell them. You can use it for crypto. There are a bunch of different use cases for this, but you probably already know what you want to use it for. But just create the profiles you need, and then you can actually use that browser from within the MoreLogin app right here. Then here in the proxy section, you can actually see all your proxies, so you can also add a proxy from somewhere else, although I just recommend purchasing them from here because again, they are pretty cheap because of the 10% discount. Then here in the extensions, you can also add in extensions that you want inside of your profiles. And in your teams, you can invite your team members that you want to collaborate with inside of all of these browsers and profiles. In billing, you can set up your billing, so you can choose which package you want. So in the free plan, you get 2 profiles. Now I already use those, and you get 2 members, and you get 20 startups. And you just want to go and click on upgrade right here if you want more of them. So for example, if you need more profiles, let's say you want 50 of them, then it will be $25 per 30 days. Then here you can choose how many additional members you want. For example, if I want 5 additional members, then you can see that as well right here. And again, you get the 10% discount right there. So you can just use this coupon code whenever you want. So again, in order to start using MoreLogin, click on the link down in the description, then go and download the app and create your account, then enter the code that I showed you earlier and that I will leave down in the description so you can just copy it, and then basically set up your profiles for whatever you need them and create as many as you need, and then just purchase the proxy to go along with that profile so that you can actually start using it. And then here under the status it will be active, and you can use it for the amount of time that you purchased the proxy for. So now you know how to use MoreLogin. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.